how to buy SOWL, the Sowlana token crypto coin. Now, to be able to do that, and before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. Now, this is the X account, as you can see. This is it. Now, take a look at it. Now, after that, how to buy this coin. Now just go and make sure you are in a Dix Screener account or make an account in it. Now after you find the token on it, now copy the token address and go and use your Phantom wallet. Now after that, click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now from here, click on it and now paste the token address, and as you can see, you will find the right token. Now after that, click on it. Now tap here how much of Solana you will use to buy this token. After that, you will see how much you will receive. Now after that, in the provider, select one of these, and after you select one of these, click on swap, and they will be redirect you to the provider that you selected and to complete the buy process. And make sure that you notice this icon. It's this liquidity, it's 100% locked and your investment is in safe place. So this is how to buy the SOWL Sowlana token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.